All right, guys, the new super easy way to add somebody to a smart plan in KW Command. This is Lori Ballen serving Vegas and Henderson. And here's how we do it. So I'm right now in a contact record, and I'm okay to show this one publicly because it's a real estate agent with public information. So Tom is now in my database. We are connected on Facebook. And what I'm looking to do now is add Tom to the smart plan so that when he has a birthday, I am reminded to send out a card and to reach out to him. So what you'll see after you put all the info in is this should be at 100%. I'm not sure why that's not calculating at 100%, but everything's in there. And then what we're going to do is we come over here to add to a smart plan. And right here on the right hand side now you can see all of your smart plans. Now if you click on the little arrow there, you're now able to see all of the steps right here from the smart plans directly. I'm going to go down here and I'm just going to select to add him to the birthday campaign, and that's how easy it is now to see the steps and add contacts to a birthday campaign.